Hello everyone and welcome to Center for Future Technology. We will discuss Artificial Neural Network. Artificial neural networks are one among the most tools utilized in machine learning, as the neural, a part of their name suggests, they were brain-inspired systems which are intended to duplicate the way that we humans learn. Neural networks contain input and output layer. What is artificial neural networks? Stand for ANN. Artificial neural networks are a special sort of machine learning algorithm that is modeled after the human brain. ANN are nonlinear statistical models which display a Poisson relationship between the inputs and outputs to get a replacement pattern. A spread of tasks like image recognition, speech recognition, machine learning or MT also as diagnosis makes use of these artificial neural networks. What is ANN? Artificial neural networks. An important advantage of artificial neural networks is that the indisputable fact that it learns from the instance data set. Most commonly uses of ANN is that of a random function approximation. Artificial neural network is additionally capable of taking sample data rather than the entire data set to provide the output result. With artificial neural network, one can enhance existing data analysis technique thanks to their advanced predictive capabilities. Artificial neural networks architecture. The functioning of the synthetic neural network is analogous to the way neutron add our system and RVO sum. The neural networks returns to the first 1970s when Werner S. McCulloch and Walter Pitts coined these terms. So, as to know the working of ANN, allow us the first understand how it's structured. Artificial neural network architecture. Layers is a general term that applies to a collection of nodes operating together at a specific depth within a neural network. The input layer contains your raw data. You can think of each variable as a node. The hidden layers are where the black magic happens in neural networks.